Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off comments notification on TikTok. Now let's get started. First, open your TikTok apps, and after this, if you wanna turn off the comment notification, so you just click on the profile icon at the bottom. And then in here you just click on the three lines icon at the top, click on it, and then in here you just click on the setting and privacy. And now in here you just click on the push notification, click on it. And then in here now you can turn off this button like this and finish. So that's how to turn off comments notification on TikTok. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.